Hey boys and girls, what's up? Today I'm coming with a new tutorial, and this time it's about bass, because I know a lot of you people are interested in techniques how to enhance your bass, and there are several, there are many. So today the trick is to use an exciter, and to use some delay times as well to achieve a certain roundness in the kick bass relationship. Yeah. So let's first draw a kick. Oh. A little bit faster. Shorten it up just a little bit. I'm all doing that fairly quick now, since it's really about that trick. But I guess to make it work properly, you also need to do the process of equalization and so forth. Get rid from the frequencies in the mids a little bit. Not doing that too detailed now. And then you need the exciter. So usually this wouldn't be the only thing that I'm doing to the bass. There are several other things. There are several other things that I'm doing, but I want to show you the specific trick. So this is basically a mastering distortion / saturation tool, and you have those delay times here for the respective bands. So let's try to work out a little bit of the mid frequencies. And also some lows. And now comes... Oops. Sorry. Now comes the trick, the actual trick. Now let's play... with those delay times. So this is really important. And this is where you can get some really interesting dynamics, because you can create some space. Since you need to have a certain relationship of kick and bass. Obviously, I did the kick and bass very fast now. There are a lot more steps usually to making a perfect bass. That's for sure, but those are some really important steps. You can also use other techniques for this, for example, transient modulators and stuff like that, but still. Okay guys, this is it with this quick video. As always, I really recommend that you try out those things for yourself and experiment with yourself. Not with yourself, with the techniques that I just showed you yourself, and then find out how you can use them and if they work for you. As always, you can have a look at our website www.instinct-learning.com for for more tutorials, presets, samples, and more. And I see you guys in the next video. As I said, I'm gonna upload every week now, so every week, Tuesday to Wednesday, I'm gonna upload a video. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next video.